Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your AGM H6 supports eSIM. Okay, first we need to find out what is our IMEI number. To do it, open up your phone app and we need to type this code asterisk hashtag 06 and hashtag, and above we can see our IMEI number. Now type it in that place on our page, just like always on this channel, and now click on check IMEI. Okay, as you can see, it appears. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks, and now click on eSIM compatibility check. It's completely for free, so you don't need to pay for anything. Click on check once again, and as you can see, we have our answer that this device does not support eSIM. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.